In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to design your Shopify store completely free. We will transform this basic Shopify store into a clean, professional-looking e-commerce store. So let's start. Step 1. Go to your Shopify dashboard. Click Online Store Arrow Themes. Scroll down and click Visit Theme Store. Here you can find both paid and free Shopify themes. For this tutorial, we will use a free theme. Click Free Themes and you will see different options available. The theme I personally like is Scents, so I'll select Scents for this store. Click Add to Theme Library. Once the theme appears in your store, click Publish. Now let's check how the store looks. Go to Online Store View Store. As you can see, this is the basic version before customization. Now let's make it look more professional. Step 2. Customize your Shopify theme. Now let's start customizing our store. First, we will update the announcement bar. The announcement bar is the small message shown at the top of your website. This is a great place to highlight important information like free shipping offers, discounts, new arrivals, store announcements. For this tutorial, we will change the default message from "Welcome to our store" and replace it with a message that matches our brand. Once you update the announcement bar, click Save. Now let's add our store logo. Go to Settings, Logo. Click Select Image arrow. Choose your logo file and upload it. After adding the logo, you can adjust the size depending on your store design and theme. Make sure your logo is clear and matches your brand style. Click Save. Step 3. Add Homepage banner. Now let's create a professional homepage. Click Add Section Arrow Image with text. Upload your main banner image. A good banner should clearly show your product, your brand message, your main offer. Adjust the image position and text placement according to your store design. Step 4. Add more homepage sections. To make the store look more premium, let's add more sections. Go to Add Section. I will add Multicolumn section. This is useful for showing product benefits, features, brand advantages. Now let's add another section, Rich Text section. Move it higher on the page. This helps explain your brand story and build trust. Step 5. Customize store colors. Now let's update the store colors. Go to Theme Settings. Here you can change background colors, button colors, text colors. Choose colors that match your branding. A consistent color system makes your store look more professional. Step 6. Let's add another visual section. Click Add Section Arrow Image Banner. Here you can add product images, lifestyle images, promotional messages. This helps create a stronger shopping experience. Step 7. Add products to Shopify. Now let's add products. Go back to your Shopify dashboard. First, upload your product images. Upload all your product images. Now go to Products Arrow Add. Product Add. Product Title. Product Description. Product Images. Price. Compare at price if you have a discount. Inventory details. Make sure your product information is clear and professional. Step 8. Add product variants. If your product has different options, click Add Variant. You can add sizes, colors, different versions. Set the price and inventory for each variant. Click Save, and your product is ready. Final result, now your Shopify store has professional free theme, custom logo, homepage banner, brand sections, better colors, product setup, ready to sell structure. In the next videos, we will improve the store even further by adding important e-commerce features like product reviews, upsells, bundles, and conversion optimization.